pretty little flowers here, but nothing like what we're gonna see in a second. Because we turned around on purpose. This is gonna be so cool. That was so cool. We'll get it on the way back too.
Yep.
All right, let's get some more sunflowers. This is how we were driving. There they are. So pretty. Supposed to leave the flag out in the rain?
I think you actually can.
I don't know. I'm gonna need to look up that one. Okay, maybe when the road's a little less bouncy, I'll come back. It's raining anyway. I just wanted those cool clouds. The sky is pretty awesome. Albanene. Mm-hmm. It's not about coming to Osterleeds and having an awesome time.
It's about road trips where we passed this exit time and time and time again.
It's about that exact thing.
Osterleeds.
Osterleeds. Welcome to Massachusetts. We can. Me too. Cool. We're here. We are here.
You'll figure road work as soon as you get into Mass.
Shocker. I wish I could say it was due to the road work that we got delayed, but you'll see in these upcoming clips. We'll see if I just wasn't the case. That at all on camera. And now we'll go deal with road work in the rain and listen to some more music, right?
Split lane.
Fun. Ugh.
working on this a year ago?
I mean, of course they were. We're in Massachusetts right now. That's how it works. Do not remember living here?
I do.
Me too. That's why I only come back once a year. If that. Okay, pausing for wherever we are. What is this? 45 miles, 123 minutes to 91. What?
That sounds really long.
It really does. Well, I guess we'll see if that actually plays out, because right now it's
Better not be.
8:09.
It should be like 123 minutes to like
Boston,
128.
right? So, okay. Peacing out. In the car, Matt made the good point that it's going to be dark pretty soon. Not like that. That was
Almost
timing. I
dark
literally
already.
couldn't have even planned that if I tried.
Oh, that's
we
really
just went
soon.
under a bridge, an overpass bridge. So, yeah, we are moving right along. You saw the footage, but I realized that I wasn't even on camera all day today. I don't think so. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, comment, all the things. Tell us if you like this stuff, and I will see you for Vlogust tomorrow. Bye.
Happy Vlogust.
Happy Vlogust. Bye.
Bye.
It's wicked dark and foggy. That fog is so cool. Yeah, mile 22. That's great. I was trying to get the sign. Oh, yeah, and I should probably look at the time again, because, you know, we might get there someday.
Someday.
Maybe. All right, we're almost at 25. That's where it was, allegedly. Mile marker 25. I can see the lights up there, too, flashing. But I think that's just the right lane is closed. I don't know if that's because of that's where the crash was, though. But it said mile marker 25, right, on the thing?
To me, it'd be anywhere between 25 and 26. So, here's
hoping it's 25.
Yep.
0.0. I can't. It's 9:42.
Slow going.
No. Thanks, Massachusetts. You're the best. Every time we come here, we hit freaking traffic.
Every time.
Literally every time. I bet we look awesome, though, right? Oh, no, you can't even
Can't really
see. Well, if anything wonderful happens, I guess I can check back in, but for now I think I'm just gonna like Watch as we slow roll.
So slow.
My very favorite thing is all these people in the right lane who had all the same warnings that we did, that the right lane was closed, and yet there they still are.
We've been in the left lane for like an hour.
We sure have. I think more. I'm going to go back and look at that first clip. I'm pretty sure it's been way longer than a freaking hour that we've been in the left lane.
We got over like an hour ago.
I think so.
These kids in their right lane.
Yeah. Get off my right lane.
Well, I see. Oh yeah, I see police lights up ahead.
All right, well, I'm just going to keep recording then. Yes.
Oh,
actually,
yeah,
here we go.
25.
Okay, we have got to mile 25. It's 9:44, so it's a little earlier. You know, it's a little faster than some of the other 0.2 of a mile that we've done all night.
Yeah, that only took like 3 minutes or something.
Oh man. All right, I'm just gonna pause it for a second.
Pretty close.
Yeah, it is pretty close.
Oh, I guess they've U-turned some of those.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Those are like the first trucks we've seen on the other side, though. Maybe a truck was involved. Yeah, that was an ambulance for sure.
Yep.
A truck must have been involved in the crash.
Wondering if this was lane closure for the crash or if this was lane closure that
and
caused
then
the
a crash. Don't know.
Not gonna know, probably.
Nope, looks like it's just right lane closed.
Because the right lane opens up as soon as we get past whatever this is.
Well, it looks like the entire crash has basically been cleaned up, so who knows when that actually happened. If we could get somewhere, we might even hear about it on the news, but we're not even going to be here. Oh, look, it's like stuff is over the side. Whoa.
Oh, lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff over the side. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Ooh, that smelled like diesel.
Woof! That was not okay. I hope everyone's okay. Damn, I hate those, you know?
Not a fan myself.
All right, we're opening up. We're at 25.6 miles. It's 9:48, and we're finally about to do the speed limit. Yay! Good night.
Good night.
Bye. Right. Because of course there's like the thickest fog that ever existed right after the worst backup of whatever. Look, we get it, Massachusetts. You clearly are done with us being in your state. We're so sorry. This will be our last time if that's how you feel.
We just come to visit.
Right?
We don't want to live here.
Right? Just calm down. Damn, man. With your fog and your traffic and your accidents and your road construction.
Hopefully once we're off the mountain, we're not in the fog anymore.
Oh yeah, right, because it took us like an hour to go 3 miles and
we're still on top
5
of the
miles
mountain.
rather, and we're not even in Springfield yet. The sigh is